If you're looking for a reliable, trusted solar installer in the northeast of England, keep watching and see what people have to say about us.
Ben said it was a faultless service with fantastic communication throughout.
And this is what Barry had to say about his job. Barry thought we were polite, pleasant, knowledgeable and competent. And on Marco's installation, he appreciated it was nice to have a local company with such attention to customer needs and satisfaction.
We installed solar for Marco's neighbour Gareth. This is what Gareth said. Andy and his team are literally first class. I can't think of anything they could have done to make it a better experience.
We installed the Powerwall 3 for Alan. This is what Alan had to say.
I couldn't recommend the team more. The help I received from start to finish has been exemplary.
Fantastic job. Communication was superb from start to finish. All I would say is that I wish I could deal with all different types of businesses in the same manner.
And the reason that we chose Alps Electrical was when you came out to us, you were really knowledgeable, great communication kind of throughout, and the system, you can see it's really neatly installed, well done.
You get the picture.
Countless happy customers raving about our first-class service and glad they made the right choice in choosing Alps Electrical. Read over 400 outstanding customer reviews, check out our website and watch some of our installation videos on our YouTube channel.
Don't risk a bad experience.
Choose a trusted, multi-award winning, local family business based in Teesside, known for delivering the very best service.
To speak with one of us about your solar, hit the link below and we'll be in touch.
You get one chance to get this right. Choose once.
Choose Alps.